Yes, so when you kaiba, yanga call you way, in a video na do fia. Yes, imago we see you. Imago nu raku me. Cause what ye go diga. Oko ase no beer. When I go biago ubamo, ele logo no macho ne. Nuege very soon or like no beer. Oko no ibere 25, 21 years in there. Oh, ni amomo, ni arogodo, except okoni ti amwe bogbe. You understand? When I, imana tama we down, where yoni amomo omekome. Why you pa wo Manuel? Why you pa wo Manuel? Why you va wo Manuel? Why you wo Manuel? Oh, many shine. Then I maybe you me ododo. Ina kama we yoni biomekome. So papa no, una kama we wa be ya wari yewe. You understand? Igi bione una we ne you waila or divorce way officially eti we mi rokpa. You understand? You waila they don't know be what you gonna deceive maybe ya fe. You move your legs, stop. Me what you gonna deceive maybe ya fe. Ube western yo ube henejo egbe ma be sa una giene una we deti se kamema ikunena una we deti se kamema ikunena. You see now wekbo ooh. Yes, because what God cannot do does not exist. He can marry other for me iya oga ina me ina zoda for me why that way omane gwajo obo no. Igi le na gwayo obo ohon eno ga nego ni go evo no fe yo bo mu so obia na gwayo obo ne nu ilele oja meja zoda feme oda feme no kegbo bare no bare bon egbe la mogun egbu wani egbe la mogun understand oda feme kere o salo boya we me undawe ugienegbe una we afio boya o name ya meve me serio so papa no omani a offend baby mi talona when he offend o oma no one take care. Yes, because I when na gbege vie uene yo serio me una mi aba no relele yakia edu mwigo me edu settle me why ime we pampas. Ne mo gbera won dokmani na mi imam no send me 100,000. O ma ni no mama gbe ni jo ya na send 100,000 your account. Imamie ije bank imamie no nya na loe na ko maybe a gift no e ko ma gini no ma ko show face do we no iyan ye o iyan ni ojoro we gbe because omona u agba oge be no mana de ba me gba oge o saya fefe ni deji ni u kegbe pregnancy do se stage na ni u umana hae iba boke yagu wele mi kuga ne mo okon mu bolo wa lele edona ya fefe we ma ni big man very oni oga bolo wa o big man no we gbe ye big man eniyan kun eniyan se eniyan pa ni ja respect destiny bagwa eniyan pa ni ja respect o ewe iko no mu ne ko ya da fefe ona make sure we gbe okiyan ona we sure we exercise yan ye gbere we wise we don uma it is the de boe o alu agboku e respect ni e nene destiny bagwa ile ke sajo why because obia no elegbe no how to stand as a man no obere no ya le style do paye adagbon egi figwe die iwe ya gige we iye ami o se why undagwe obiano amagodo bia na e wako ganya so pano mi akaru akwara hunu no ya gwe venu wena hu we makara nu akwara mu nu ya gwe e wako ganya because okwan nu fe mo bo yo bo mu so okwo okyan ya to me no dodo Shan Francis Odigye no pe manu ebi no pe mani me no dodo ugwoto imafidon o ebi when no say na jo unu me ya gun nu da imafidon ya ye imio be baso e no say na ko je gbe me kan nifin nu da imafidon izogege badima ikun gbome na kun iga ko mu gbome kian u la gbome so papa no me omo ne ra bi ye ya yo we na we kan ji me ya ken o de na tela na gidla agbugwe ne eru wale one of after down o kan ki o de na tela na gidla o kan yo to no gberi eru wale that man he became money before this man wey dey like kekeso he became money before o ka kian ukebu uga we bi sebebo itai se ri na we uga we umemwele o money bien na we ma trust DNA iga we DNA so pa e DNA magu we u da learn responsibility responsibility no ka gbo a responsibility okay no le nani okay agbon aso agbon ma gba agbon ma be yore u understand u ma tieme u ma we DNA u le rian what aloge okay god guy what's the name man order for me I'll feel your bum so it's just okay, it's just cool. He knows how to take care of a woman. He takes care of your daughter. Yes, it's the one footing the bills. And it makes me smile. I can talk to him. He listens. You understand? And he's so proud of me. He's so proud of me. Super proud of me. As his wife. His beautiful wife. His gallant wife. You understand? Yes now. That's daddy. Yes now. So papa no gwe. When I wear the way you mo bon sioto. Or money la bi je ya yo. Una bo nu ja me bon sioto. Ubege. What God cannot do does not exist. I have decreed and declared until you take care of my daughter. Shame and disgrace will continue to be your portion. One of Amsterdam. Shame and disgrace will continue to be you and your entire family, your immediate family. Your portion, it will be your portion. No matter when you may go say. No social media. So papa no where ya go leya. Where ya go leya. Etureni. E fa no no e. Eni teme. Iyan logwe. Asan logwe aseni janwe. Aseni ve do janwe social media. Aseni e do janwe social media. Aseni e janwe social media. Oh no ya na fe no ya fe yo mo ya fe. Iya ti abonu e. It's a one of a song, it's a one of a 5 junction, it's a one of a 3 junction, it's a one of a 4 junction, it's a one of a junction. It's a one way. It's a one of a song, it's a one of a van, it's a one of a new, it's a one of a raw. Yes, it's a one of a raw. Then no man go make bow mona down on the doors. Then no man go make bow okay. I send you a little way. Okay, a little way, okay, no did lie for the fair. I'm not going to get sweat and be wealthy, but until you take care of her, you will never know no peace. You will never know no peace. Men and women. You can't rubbish you way. You need to daddy. Can you dear? Can you ma dear? Ni daddy way. You can't just know. You can't judge know. You can't go there like that because everyone one of Amsterdam. Yes. Now me they talk. If you say you near me, may you touch me. It will become everlasting ancestral curse. You know what is ancestral curse? Generational curse. Sweetheart, I love you, darling. Mommy love you. Yeah. Yes, it will become generational curse on you. From you to your children, children. Nothing will raise the curse. I placed it on you. Everyone one of Amsterdam. Yes, I did it secretly. I said it secretly, and I'm saying it openly. It is just 6 years. Out of 10 years, I decreed. Out of 10 years, I decreed. Yes, it is just 6 years. All I ask is for you to join me to take care of your daughter, your child. If you do not join me to take care of your child, a vagabond. That's what it means. Unless you join me to play your When you wanna play fatherly role where you are doomed. You are doomed. Because of 2 minutes, 5 minutes enjoyment from an adulterous wife, you are rejecting your daughter. Because of 5 minutes enjoyment from an adulterous wife, you are rejecting your daughter. If you do not take care, play your fatherly role in her life, you are doomed. You are doomed. You are doomed. You are doomed. Before the age of 50 years. Before the age of 50 years. Oga they disappointed. Four children, four father. Because Emi ogwe mention ni megwe ekia gwe I accept obi me. Eni wala uweka gwe accept obi me. We no man take care of a damn in no gwe. Ojo daughter wala will be 4 children, 4 father. Iju wala cannot make care okia zejuwe. Except you take care of my daughter. Except you take your responsibility as a father in her life. If not, I decree and declare this day, and so shall it be. So shall it be. In the name of my ancestors, in the name of your ancestors, in the name of God the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, in the name of all the powers beneath the earth and above the earth, in the heavens and on earth. So shall it be, unless you play your fatherly role in the life of my daughter. Else, you are doomed. You are doomed. You did not only neglect me, you told everybody around you to neglect me. And they all neglected me. So Papa no when you will not leave any inheritance for your children. Except you call my daughter that you know is your daughter. If not, I've decreed and I've declared this is just the beginning. The beginning. I gave you 10 years. 10 years. Anytime you have a similar thing, Veronica, I will always come out on live video to remind you. I've never come out on my page to discuss this matter, but because I've seen two of the signs that I decreed, I came out on live video because I'm still reminding you. You have a chance. You have a chance now that you are still talking. You have the chance now that you are still living, that you are still working, that you can still work hard. You have a chance. Take care of my daughter, else you forever and ever remain a vagabond. You forever and ever baby. Yes. Oh, now when you don't tell me what they're now. Who that way, everyone one of upside down. Oh, megbe. Agwene na jemo eji nege bamoge. Nunda na jemo eji ga bamoge. Ami nu ya sion. Imami nu ya omego buan. Itie le wefe edo. Ona ya omakhweni ya the wefe. Oyin ka mame oguma ikunena. Uma ikunena. What tell any mame o ma say 3 months. Awu mame na do mwigo jomo. Awu mame na wi mana die me salebe no. And he just mocked me. Less than 3 months. You have liquidated. But my husband that came in less than 3 months after he told me that word. My husband came and paid my dowry and married me and honored me. He decorated me as his proud wife. So Pokmano, and you know the money do. uwotoje. Uwotoje. Urawe mi sebebo. A Diamond Divina is a covenant child. When we look back, because he's a covenant child. Una when we look back, and more of a no way, Nikaya, he love you instead of her. Onye nagbe, amonosagi agbo. Amonosagi agbo na rejection abuweko. Oma respond to rejection. Una ukanze popo. Meanwhile, receive sense. Receive sense before it's too late for you. Receive sense. Receive sense before it's too late for you. Because this is just the beginning. He who laughed last, laughed best. You were loving me at the initial stage, but now I'm not loving you. Oh my word, my baby, you're such a darling. Oh my word, I love you. You're such a darling. You know when to follow your mom. We will love last, love best. We are loving you last, and we'll continue to love you. We will continue to laugh you. We will continue to laugh you. We will continue to laugh you because you will end up in shame and disgrace. Except you call her and take your fatherly responsibility. Else you are doomed. Doomed forever. Shame and disgrace will continue to be your portion. It will continue to be your portion. Yes, so to continue to be your portion. You will not take your responsibility. You did not allow your friends to assist me. You did not allow your family to assist me. You warned all of them from coming close to me. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. Okay, destruction where this beginning okay. Oh, okay. Yes, so my country people. Now waiting, I see me. I can't tell my baby dad. My baby dad, they don't allow one of Amsterdam. Now message where I can't live for her. Now it be this. See, if papa na, if mama na second wife. If you allow mama na second wife, but they say they not go accept another woman picking. Una don't see that come out before. They say they not go accept another woman picking, but then a second wife children. They be second woman children. I beg go anywhere on a day, women all over the world. Help me to continue to place a curse on them. Help me continue to place a curse on them. Any of them that said they will not allow, he said he will not take care of his own responsibility. Continue to join me to place a curse on them. Continue to join me to place a curse on them. In the day, in the night, in the noon, so shall it be. Ọmọ no bá do atalk be. He said, all the fans and family members who supported me during my tough times, may God bless you richly. May God continue to replenish your account. May your pocket never run dry. May you live to reap the fruit of your labor. Whatever you lay your hands upon, you will excel. You will prosper. You will grow from glory to glory. You will grow from strength to strength. No weapon fashioned against you shall prosper. In any form, in any way that your names are being mentioned for evil, God will fight for you. God will trouble those that trouble you. Anyone planning shame and disgrace for you, God will wear them garments of shame for your sake. So shall it be in Jesus' name. Why? No, no jere a jevena no ego emo my go ya we uvi we ya kara una ta we no bi ma be ku ne ki gbo bi ma be una to ge lega bi ma be. Delay is not denial. Delay is not denial. You understand? He said, who is he that declared the thing and coming to pass when the Lord have not said so? Why? Because Mafidon. When I can imagine, when I can when I can disgrace but a disgrace in is you. And so shall it continue to be forever and ever until you take your responsibility of a father in the life of Diamond Edos. Thank you guys. Have a pleasant Easter. And God bless you as we continue to jollificate. As you continue to be a good person, wish your neighbor well. Don't do what you know is not. Don't do to others what you know you will not allow in your life. You understand? So that you will not go and be destroying your destiny unnecessarily. Because Eruwala, he has used his hand to destroy his destiny unnecessarily. I'm a bone in his neck, he cannot eat. If he kills me, it's wahala. If he leave me, it's wahala. The only option he has is to take care of his child. That is it. God bless you guys. Love you. Heart to you. Damo says you love them.
I love you so much.
Okay. You will not wish them a Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, guys.
Yeah. Bye, guys.